How do you know your hair is lacking moisture? It will be dry. Your hair will be matted, so there'll be tangles, the split ends, and lastly, it will lack shine and fertility. That's why I've got Noughty to the rescue intense moisture treatment. As you can see, it's 97% natural. Do you know how important a moisture treatment is for your hair, your natural curls? It is critical to prevent hair breakage. Moisture keeps the hair soft and hydrated. Just like how you need your water to keep you going, so does your hair. So today I'm trying out Noughty to the Rescue Intense Moisture Treatment for dry and damaged hair. So I've shampooed my hair with Happy Naturals as usual, free from all the bad things as well. I also conditioned my hair with Faith in Nature, 99% natural origin. It's actually grapefruit and orange conditioner, 100% recycled, cruelty-free, vegan-free. A lot of them are like that. No parabens, no silicones, cruelty-free. So this Noughty to the Rescue, as I said, is for dry and damaged hair with sweet almond and black oats. Oh, I love almond. It's cruelty-free, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, and vegan-friendly. It has a lovely smell. It really smells like almond. If you like almonds or almonds, however you say it. Yep, it has that smell. The texture is, normal, what can you say, like leave-in conditioner or deep conditioner, that kind of texture. It's not too sticky and it's not too runny. It's sort of in the middle. I've added a rather generous amount of this product and I just kept adding. And then I started detangle. I really should have sectioned out my hair because the knots were crazy. As you know, sectioning, look at that, look at those knots. So I felt like I needed to add more and more product. I don't know why my hair tends to dry so fast without any products, but just put a product in my hair and it soaks up that moisture. So I'm detangling from the bottom going up with the Tangle Teaser brush. The instructions on the container are to leave it in for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse away. Work a generous scoop into the hair, gently comb through for better results. I don't have a comb. Well, I do have a comb, but I don't really comb my hair. You need a wide tooth comb. I brush it with this detangling brush. It can also be left up to 20 minutes for an intense treatment. So that's what I'm going to do. Applied it to my hair and then I'll show you I'm going to leave it in for 20 minutes. Look at it already. Once my hair soaks this product, yeah, game gone. We're ready to go. My fingers were gliding. There's still some knots. Detangling is not an easy job. But it needs to be done. And I do it once a week. That's it. Has this product got what it takes to bring the moisture back? I'd say about 3/4 of the way, and that's how much hair has fallen out. Well, not fallen out, but when you detangle, your hair is meant to fall. I'm just having a look at the ingredients, and it's got shea butter, oil, I guess coconut oil, as well as sunflower seed extract, meadow foam seed oil. It's got quite a lot of oils. I read somewhere that's got avocado oil, but I can't actually see it on the ingredients. Maybe it's called something else. It's got argan oil as well, called Argania spinosa cannel oil. It's basically argan oil. But yeah, these are some good ingredients. Honestly, I did feel like my hair didn't really soak this product up. For some reason, I use Garnier and that one just does the trick. I did a video. Here's a link up here. I've done this before. But honestly, it feels good once the hair soaks up the product. But until then, it isn't as easy as the Garnier 3-in-1 hair mask. But so far, so good. My curls look hydrated. The moisture's doing its trick. I'm not knocking it at all. And then I just do twists as well to encourage the curl pattern, and it gives me time for the product to penetrate into the hair. So even though I've brushed it through, this is like a second layer of evenly distributing the product through the hair. I do this every time I deep condition my hair, every time I use a hair mask. So I'm doing the same for this moisture treatment. When I do a protein treatment, I do this. It really helps your curls remember that they can curl. There you go, all done. If only it took seconds. I'm now going to use a plastic bag. You can use a plastic cap. This is so I can have a shower and let the mist, if you have a mister, just penetrate into the hair. This is perfect to lock in the moisture.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it's actually been 20 minutes roughly, and then I loosen the twists and rinse it out. You can see already the moisture has been absorbed. The definition is already showing. My hair is feeling soft and smooth already. It seems that it's worked wonders. The only disadvantage is probably me. If you look at the roots of my hair, it looks like the product isn't there at all. Definition is good towards the middle and the ends of the hair, but the roots have been neglected. But otherwise, looks good. My hair really felt soft and smooth. I also felt I could run my fingers through my hair with no stress, no effort. It was just gentle. I started off rinsing with luke to warm water. Rinse all of this product out. It's not a leave-in conditioner, so rinse it out. Then I followed up with a cold water rinse as well. Cold water, yeah? Just close the cuticles and seal in the moisture. But look at this. I'm impressed. My hair felt moisturized, and it is a moisture treatment, so it's done exactly what it said it's meant to do. Can you see the difference? From how short, it looked like my hair, the length of my hair was shoulder length. The minute I rinse out the product, look at this. It's like it grew in seconds, right? That's how you know those curls are healthy. The shrinkage is real. Look at the curl definition. I was really impressed. I wouldn't even say a third, maybe a quarter of this container. And the size, let me have a look, is a 300 ml. So 10 flow ounces, 10 ounces. So what? I probably used 2 ounces of the whole container. So yeah, this is gonna last a while, which is good. That's what you want. What you want is a product that will go a long way, that will last, value for money, and it's pretty good. Yeah, look at the definition. Wow. If you are lacking moisture, this is the product to go for. It made a big difference. I'd like to say it's the best, but I have other favorites. It's so hard. I have Garnier is probably my favorite deep condition. It probably is. Not probably, it is. Yeah, it does wonders. But this is making my hair just look so much longer. I don't know if it grew over the week or what, but it is looking very long. What I do next are 2 big 2-strand twists, which really helps with detangling in time for styling. You'll see the shrinkage. It just shrinks up the minute I twist it, which is fine. I don't mind shrinkage. I don't really mind length anymore. I prefer health over length, and so it's fine. If I want my hair to be long, it is long. It just doesn't look it. My hair is also looking really shiny. Or is it just good lighting? What do you think? Leave a comment below. I would love to know. The big 2-strand twist that I've just done helps so much with styling because it's practically 4 parts, and so my hair is already parted in 4 sections. So when I loosen it, I just go 1 section at a time. Now let's see how much hair I've lost. And that's the amount of hair I lost during this wash day. But that's the only day I detangle, so that's pretty good. You're meant to lose 50 to 100 hairs a day, and that's a week's worth. So it isn't really bad. I am losing quite a lot of hair at the moment because I'm not in the best health, but that could be the reason why it's falling out. And then that's me after I've styled my hair, and that's the only amount that fell out again. So as I was brushing, that was the outcome. Looking at the curls now, the wet curls, they look all right. The definition isn't too bad. Now for the dry results. It's not bad at all. There's a lot of frizz, but I do think it's what I used rather than the moisture. Because if you look at my curls now, so much better. The definition is poppin'. My curls definitely look and they feel revived. I recently dyed my hair, so there is damage, but watch this space. See the transformation in my next few videos, whether this makes a difference. So I am finding my hair is frizzier than normal, but this is pretty good. What do you think? Leave a comment, let me know. There you have it. I would say this is a must try. This product was worth buying. I'm definitely going to use this product again and see what happens, Is it worth it? Yeah, definitely. I wouldn't say it's not worth it. It's definitely worth it. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? See you same time next week, Friday at 2 p.m. Bye.